Hi everybody and welcome back. Now, sometimes you are going to want to check if multiple conditions are true, because so far we've only been looking at single conditions, if one thing is true or if not true. For example, we might want to check if a username and a password are true. Let's look at how to check if two conditions are true. If each test passes, then the overall expression or our program will evaluate to true. So let's start here with a username. And you can already see I've entered in some comments just identifying the program. Input. Welcome. Please enter your username. Okay, so that's our first one. And let's create another variable, password. Input. Oh, please enter your password. Okay, and let's just close that off. If username, be helpful if I spelt these right because otherwise nothing is going to work. If username is not Tony and our password is not password 123, wouldn't be very hard to hack if this was a real program. Print access denied. Else, don't forget your colon, print welcome. Okay, so we've already saved this file, so let's run it and see what we get. Welcome, please enter your username. Username Tony. Please enter your password. PASSWORD123. Welcome. There we go. So two conditions are true and our program has run. Let's try this again. Please enter a username. Frank. Password PASS. Access denied. So both our conditions are incorrect, so our program evaluates the false. Okay. Let's just step through this program for a moment. Here we have in lines, I suppose, 1 and 2, we ask the user to input their username and password. Then we create an if statement. And we tell Python that if the username does not equal Tony and the password does not equal password 123, then print access is denied. As long as the user input and the password equal Tony and password 123, then the program is a success. Print welcome. And that's how we test for multiple conditions using the AND condition. We'll look at this later on in further lectures and bigger programs. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next lecture.